Hi, my name is Heather Kelly. I'm a dental hygienist with TePe Oral Hygiene Products. I am here to introduce you to the TePe products and how to use them. The TePe Nova toothbrush has a tapered brush head with an easy reach tip for better access in hard to reach areas, especially around the back and inside teeth. The toothbrush has an easy grip handle with a thumb pad. The toothbrush neck can be angled without heating, so you can customize to your specific needs. It is available with extra soft, or medium bristles. Using the TePe Nova toothbrush is similar to all manual toothbrush instructions. Place your toothbrush bristles towards your gums at a 45-degree angle so that the bristles sweep along the gum line using small back and forth motions. Make sure you brush systematically, starting with the inside, then continuing with the outside and the chewing surfaces. The tip with longer bristles improves access, for example, to the back teeth or inside lower front teeth. Look in the mirror to assure that you place the brush properly. Remember to focus where the tooth meets the gums because this is where harmful bacteria that causes dental disease resides. Thank you for taking the time to learn about our products. Please visit our website for more information.